Ebube, my sister, please, for the sake of God, please. Our mother is innocent.
I don't want to hear that. Please.
She is innocent. Please. She was knocked down by hit and run driver. She's in a serious pain. I need some money so I can take her to the hospital for proper treatment.
In other words, you are trying to say that you'd rather stay with the murderer. Someone who poisoned someone that I've been trying to protect.
Please, she's still our mother. Pico. Open 9. Pico, oh.
You know what? Whatever you see, you take it.
My sister,
oh, please.
My sister, please. Please. It's our mother. Ebube. Ebube.
You have seen with your own eyes. We are not the enemy. Yeah? Whoever thought that this evil and condemnable act to be perpetrated by him. It's unbelievable. It's completely incomprehensible.
Ebube, see, we are your brothers, and we cannot lie to you. We're still in pain. We're still in shock. I used to watch this thing on movies. I never believed it could happen to us like this. This is unbelievable. I'm shocked.
But where is Ebelechukwu right now?
She decided to go with her. I don't know where she went.
Well, it's all right. She has to be very careful. Very careful, though. And Ebe, you see, in case you decide to adopt another boy, yeah, I'm fully in support. I'm fully behind you.
Yes, yeah? I support that also.
I support that idea.
I support it also.
You understand? Yeah? Your father, my late brother, must have a name in this family.
I support you.
Yeah, he has to have a name. Hey.
I'm not in the rush for that right now. Trust me.
Yeah. Well, in that case, it's okay. It's all right. But hi, Nedi. Hey!
Hajiri, this thing you're doing is not good. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I don't like it. Why can't you just think out of the box for once? Why?
What are you talking about?
Your mother might be a victim of something she knows nothing about. Yes, this might be a setup. And now, I can see you're whining and dining with your cousins.
Get my problem with you. You don't talk. You don't talk.
Ebube, just because I'm trying to say the truth.
Shut up! Now everything say you go talk.
I will still tell you the truth because I am your friend. Yes, I will tell you the truth. I am your friend.
What
you are doing is not good. Go and look for your mother. They are innocent. They didn't do anything wrong. They are innocent.
I'm not getting your time, oh. Just they talk anyhow.
Look at it. See, for all I care, this thing might be a setup. It might be a setup. It's just like we see in the movies.
Can I put it to you? That poor widow is innocent. It was you people's plan to turn everything against her. Look, I know everything that is playing in that family. Your father has sold eventually all his farmlands to a Efulefu people. And now he wants to start selling your late uncle's land. But Ebube stood her ground and adopted a son for the father. And now you people have killed him. And pushed everything to the poor widow. Yes, I know everything that is going on.
What nonsense are you talking about? Huh?
I don't understand. You think I'm scared of saying the truth? I will speak it out loud.
Chelugudi, are you saying that we manipulated on what happened to Mama Ebube? I mean, the madness that happened to her, that we did it.
Look, I know that the chief priest is your father's right-hand man, but not to worry. Don't worry. The gods will visit him someday.
Hey, come. Where do you think you're going to?
Don't you ever.
Ever what? Yeah? Come on.
Somebody help!
Give me one.
I'm dying in pains. Alilia Jumobi. Onyeka Majaludo. Asan Kanjua. Opo Kenkema. Kafana Choka Fana Lomo. What did I do? Walonya Majalu. Opia Bowamo. Alilia Jumobi.
Mama? 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 Wake up, come and eat your food. So you can take your medication. Oh?
Come and eat. He's hungry, he has not eaten anything.
Mama, there is no Nabugo here. Please, get up, oh?
Allow me to sleep now.
Mama, please, I will not allow you to sleep. Come, wake up. Mama, come and eat. So you can take your medication.
Is too much. Your trouble is too much.
Sorry, no. Where? This is your food.
Now come and eat. You want to do me? Hi! Fresh one. Come and eat. Eh?
Mama.
It's not cold.
Mama, eat. See.
Come now, Nadia. Oh.
Mama, there is no Nabugo here, just me and you. Look. Mama.
Nah.
Mama.
Now come and eat Indomie. Come. What will say?
Mama. I don't want to take your medication, Abi. Take. This is cassava and ofi.
I don't want to eat that one. I don't want to eat. Call Nabubu to come and eat.
Hey, Mama. After eating, we can now give to Nabubu. But for now, cassava and ofi. Let's eat.
I don't want.
Mama, please, now, please.
Call Nabubu to eat. See him crying now, looking for food.
Mama.
Calling him.
Mama, there is no Nabubu here. Cassava.
I want to eat.
Mama.
Come on, make indomie for you.
Chima, inozikwo Chima, inozikwo Chima, yabatelo moseni maka, inozikwo Chima, yabatelo moseni maka, Inazikwame, Chima, yabatelo mosenye maka.
You're always sick.
Hey,
My first fruit. Sorry. This sickness should leave you and face me. This sickness should leave you alone so they can enjoy your youth. And one, do.
Hey, Mama, what is that she buy? I have the money.
Buy her malt.
No, Mama. I want suya and malt, plenty pepper.
Did you hear what she said? Buy her suya and malt with plenty pepper. Let it be hot to tell their bookie to warm it well. Oh?
So because of this small sickness, this small training sickness, Mama is buying you heaven and earth.
What is that? You see?
For the past 3 days, you've been enjoying yourself. It's fine, no? No problem.
My friend, go and buy her what I asked you to buy. Is it your money? She's not feeling well.
Mama, be rest assured that next week I will fall sick. And you people will have to pamper me. Buy me all the malt. Chicken. I will not even eat you. I'll eat chicken. Mama, wait, make I finish. If you do otherwise, heaven will let loose. Next week.
Fall sick. And I will give you garri and salt.
Mama, I will change my mind. Well, I'm not going to buy suya. I will only buy, in fact, I will buy mineral for her. I don't buy it.
And come back here with me.
Onye na-eme mma o, onye na-eme kwara ya ọzọ, onye na-enye ndụ, onye na-enye ndụ kwara ya ọzọ, onye na-agwọ ọrịa o, onye na-agwọ ọrịa gwọgokwa m ọzọ, onye na-enye ndụ.
Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. You're back?
Yeah.
No, one. I hope you bought the market things for your sister, especially the Aki Awusa.
Yes, I did.
Oh, now lazy.
But Mama, what are you doing? Washing Ebubeshukwu's clothes. Why?
Oh, hello. Ebubeshukwu is not feeling well. So I decided to help her with this few of her clothes. Is it a bad thing?
Mama, she's only seeing her monthly flow. That's all.
Even at that, she's not feeling well. Is it because it's our Ebube? Some people, when they are going through this monthly flow, like you called it, some of them are admitted in the hospital, rushed to the hospital, admitted. I did drip, just to resuscitate her. Because she's in the house, you're seeing it small. You want her to die before you understand that she's sick.
Okay, no problem. If you say so.
Please, hurry up and go and cook so that we can eat, even a bit, so that she can eat and take her drugs.
Mama? I should go and do what?
Cook.
I should go and cook. Mama, I'm just coming back from the market. And you're telling me to go and cook.
Market all? Is it work?
Mama?
She's not feeling well.
If you know what I treat now, you will miss it for me. I did not enter Keke. Now leg I take come back.
The market is not the one in our village.
Yes.
Eke. This small Eke here.
Mama, I am tired.
Because you will not disturb my daughter.
Let her go and do the cooking.
She will not cook anything. Go and cook it.
That means when you're done washing her clothes, when you're done washing your favorite daughter's clothes, you come and do the cooking. Because me, I'm not going to cook it. I'm not going to cook.
I better you could pray that one day you don't fall sick. Honestly, I will force you to crawl to the market. Because you crawl to the market, buy the food, come and cook it in this house so that I will eat. Even the Chuku will eat. Rubbish. Ebele Chuku!
Mama, stop calling me. I'm not going to cook. Simple.
No problem, I will cook. But what we're not at the food. Make sure you don't bring your mouth close to the food I will cook. Rubbish. In a wicked. Not again, one wicked.
I'm not just happy. Eh? What my mother is doing is not fair. It's not good. I know you will not understand this because my sister is your friend.
I don't understand. What is it that your mother is doing that is not good?
She loves my sister more than me. Yes! The other day she went and bought wig for her and even took her out on her birthday. She took her out on her birthday.
But you went with them.
Yes, I did. But she has never bought anything for me on my birthday. She has never bought anything for me on my birthday. It's not fair now. Eh? They gossip together. They move about the village together. They chat together. While I will be in the house, doing virtually everything. Eh? I'm also her daughter. This is not nice.
Why all this jealousy? Why? Your mother does same for you too. Yes, she does. And besides, a mother's love for her first daughter is something out of this world. Especially when the woman is aging. So, stop all this jealousy. Your mother loves you. She loves the both of you equally. Okay?
See, don't get me wrong. Oh. I love my sister. But she surely had too much love more than me. It's not nice.
Relax.
It's not nice.
She loves you. Mother loves both of you.
You don't have anything to say at all. Let us start going ahead.
She loves you. Whether you like it or not, she's your mother.
Stop telling me
you are last born, for God's sake.
My sister. My beloved sister. After everything, after all the love that mother showed to you, you chose to be like this. You chose to turn your back on her. I begged you. I begged you not to allow those evil men to force her into taking that oath. But you refused. You said no. You said no, that you should take the oath. You said no. Sister, you said no. You said no. But you know Mama is innocent. You know she would never do something like that. But yet you chose to say no. I don't know what is wrong with you. But I just pray that you realize yourself. I don't know what is wrong with you. But I just pray that you will realize yourself on time. I just pray. I just pray you realize yourself. Mama, I'm coming.
Manda, where did you find the fan?
At the back seat of your car, ma. I told you I dropped it with you. Perhaps you took it home, but you didn't look at it.
Oh, I'm so sorry. You're right. I think you're right. I'm so sorry, okay? So sorry I shouted at you.
It's fine.
This girl, Ebube Okoye, do you know her?
No, ma. Is anything the matter?
No. It's fine. It's okay. You can go, okay?
Okay, ma.
You can go.
Thank you.
Hey,
they come for you. Drink up, drink up.
You see, there's nothing as good as happiness. And then one day, you know, enjoy yourself, enjoy your life. God, that is the key. The key to long life and prosperity is happiness and love.
Yes,
That's in fact, now so carry abunti. You see, that is it. Now I don't understand. That is it. Now I don't understand. That is no mission that I don't understand them. Yeah, can I cover? I can go to drink.
Drink on. Go on, drink. My but an issue.
Well, I think I've had enough.
What are you talking about? Drink.
You see why I love your father, my friend. You see, you people are not seeing him the way I'm seeing him. He's a man of peace. All your love for peace. When two families, are living together, you see progress.
And prosperity.
What for your peace?
Peace is very essential. Peace peace will do can peace. Peace and love.
Anybody home? Who is at home? Goodness. This grave is still fresh.
There's this common saying that said, love your neighbor as you love yourself.
Yes.
So, or if I know about at least there won't be much problem.
Oh, I have to start going to my father's house.
So soon? Stay with us a bit longer.
Take
more. Ada Beke. Ada million.
Ada Manango.
Adele ukwu egbu ewu. Ada ga-eji betara anyị private jet. Private jet.
Adukwano.
Adukwano. Beke nwa. Legodi ka ọ na-ama.
Otu mmụọ akagbe.
Egwe. Nne.
Ọnụ dị anwụ.
Ọ ga-eme.
Egbuhere efi adọnya iwu.
Ada ebe okwu ya nso.
Ajekwu gbọrịwa.
How about that thing we discussed? How is it?
I'll get back to you on that by tomorrow.
Oh, okay. Okay, it's okay. Yeah. You can get up and see your cousin at 4.
Okay, I'm gonna.
No. There wouldn't be any need for that.
Are you sure?
I can find my way.
Okay.
I'm on
foresight.
Okay.
Why you? Okay.
Adam Manango.
Ada Beke.
Bye.
I go one. See you. I'll see you.
Nawanandukwa. Wanani nawanandukwa ya delegum. Even without Duke Jigo. Where will we enter?
Bye.
Ebuka.
Farewell.
Again, you see this your father? He's a bad man. And that is why our friendship remain.
But uncle, let me ask you something. You are my father. Who is Bada?
You can ask that question again.
When you guys were growing up, can you keep your word? Yeah? You now go.
Joya.
Oh, if I go to body thing.
Oh, Anya go to labor. Emu ago kwa jife.
Hi. Baby, it's fine. I think I'm drunk. I'm fine. Hey, baby. But this is the address. How come nobody is home? What happened? coughing like this? Mama, people, sorry, Ndo, Mama, please, sorry, Mama, please, Ndo, Mama, Nne. Mama, please wake up, let me take you to the hospital. Mama, Biko, let me take you to the hospital. Mama, Biko, come, please help me, wake up, let me take you to the hospital, Mama, Nne, Mama, please, let's go to the hospital. Please, come, let's go to the hospital, come. Mama, please, Mama, please.
First of all, your mother is mentally unstable. She had internal bleeding, which is why she has been coughing out blood. Yes, and she has been exposed to a very cold atmosphere.
Internal bleeding. Yo. Doctor, don't allow my mother to die. I beg you in the name of God. Do everything you can to save her, please. I beg you.
Well, we are here to treat. God saves, alright? You have to deposit the sum of 30,000 just to commence treatment. Yes, but everything will cost you about 50,000.
Doctor, I'm on my knees. I'm begging you. Biko, I don't have that kind of money. Biko. Hey, but I have 5,000. I have 5,000.
Madam, calm down. Listen, this is a private hospital, alright?
Okay.
And I am only working on orders.
Okay.
Once you get the money, we'll commence treatment of your mother.
Doctor, please, I beg in the name of God. Start with the 5,000 that I have. You can do something with the 5,000.
I'm sorry, but there is nothing I can do.
Where on earth can I get 30,000 or 50,000 from? Can't you see she's everything to me? Doctor, please, I beg you. Because of God, Biko, Zara Mario, Biko.
There is nothing I can do, alright? Just look, go and look for the money. We will treat your mother. I don't know. Look, I have other patients to attend to, so please, you have to excuse me.
I should leave your office.
When you have the money, you can come back, alright?
Who brought out this bag? Who brought out? Who brought out this bag, though?
Hey, madam.
Sir? Oga?
Wait, what did they do for this side? See, wait, make I tell you. I don't want to see you around this place again. From today, if I see any day where I see you for this building, I swear you go sleep for police station.
Please, let me explain. My name is Ebere Chukwu, and I...
Wait. If your name is Ebere Chukwu, me, I don't want to know. Wait, I tell you now, be say, I don't want to see you around this place. I may know they stay here again, because if our engineer come now, you no go like him. So may carry all your things now, just come off for here. Get out, just go.
Oga, please. Just allow me to just explain to you. Let me just explain.
Explain waiting now.
Please, I beg you.
See, wait.
You will not understand. Let me just explain. Please, just help me. My mother is in the hospital. We don't have another place to stay. Just allow us, give us a few days.
Wait, no verse. That was with your mama day. Go there, go join her, and sleep for there. Because I no go like me more guy come here now, come see you. You no go walk.
Okay, please, I beg you in the name of God. Biko, can come out to
I go push you.
Of course, also a few days, guy,
even a minute, no, no stay. They go. Just go that place. I will allow you stay there, but for here, I beg. I go push you come out for here. Oh yeah, they go.
Put mouth now, people.
See, help and carry this thing come out for here.
Don't allow me to go in the place.
They go.
I beg you.
Madam,
stand up. Bring my bag. Okay, bring my bag.
Nonsense. Say your mama dey way. You dey consign me. I beg if you come fast, oh.
We are not going to sell this particular land Tuesday. mean, one of you must build on this land. That is what I have planned from the beginning.
Papa, why now? Eh? Why?
Papa, we need money. We need money for now. Forget about building.
This land is strategic. How do you sell this kind of land? For what? One of you must build here. That's my plan.
Papa says it's must. Yeah. And we are saying that we need money. It's money that we need.
Hey, what is this?
Who is this?
Is this a ghost?
Who are you?
Shoot him!
Ah! Eh?
Ndoka. Ndoka.
Okay.
What is it?
That boy.
Which boy?
That little boy. He attacked me and my sons on Okuye's farm. Eh? He attacked us.
How can you open your mouth and be saying this? That little brat attack you.
I say he nearly killed me. You don't understand. Hi.
I have a solution to that problem.
Also?
Yes. The solution is you will go and change the grave. Okay. And that's all.
You're right.
Yes.
I will do that.
How about that land?
Which land? Which land are you talking about?
The land that your sons want to sell to my son.
Look at you. I'm talking about my life here, and you're talking about land. Eh?
But I've told you what to do now.
Then let me do it first. Then we can talk about the land later.
Then what are we waiting for? Why not go in and dress up so that we go together?
I think that is you will. Can you go to the church?
Okay. Just dress up.
Are you
dressed up and come? I'm here.
Are you? Hi.
Nabuko, that little brat. This is serious. Huh?
For how long has she been in this condition?
Like, she has been like this for the past 3 days, oh.
You mean for 3 days she has been in this condition?
3 days.
Has any healer come here to heal her?
Like, the healer I called said it would take 100,000 naira before he will come and treat her.
100,000 naira? This is unbelievable.
Doctor, please. I beg you in the name of God. Pico, if you don't attend to my mother, she will die. And I don't want to lose my mother because she is everything to me. My mother is everything to me, doctor. Please.
Young lady, like I told you before, the management wants you to take your mother out from this place. It seems like you don't want to comply. And sometimes she disturbs the peace of other patients. You knew her mental health before you brought her to this place. This place is not a psychiatric hospital. Please.
Oh, doctor, I have nowhere to go. I have no one. Can't you understand me? Please, help me. I'm begging you. Even the uncompetent building where we used to stay, they have sent us out from there. They threw away our things. Please, doctor, I beg you in the name of God.
I'm sorry.
Because
there is nothing I can do. It's too late. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Doctor, because we're not Chineke, because
Ndoka, I said you should go and undo what you did to that young girl. Eh? Look, if you don't do that, I will deal with you. But let me tell you one thing. You think you are the only one that knows how to do evil? Eh? Okay. visit you. And I will teach you a better lesson that you will know. Eh? Papa, just give me go ahead now. Let me handle this man. So he's like, I'm okay now. Let me move him from this compound now. Give me go ahead. Eh?
You know what? Leave this compound now before I deal with you.
Okay, leave our compound. Okay, leave our compound. Make sure when I'm talking to an elderly man, you people should watch. Okay? Leave this compound.
Leave this place
quiet.
now.
Okay, I'll move you. Keep quiet.
And so? And so?
I will deal with you now.
What is that now?
Where?
I'm not getting it. I'm not here.
Back to you again.
Nah.
If you fail to undo what you did to that young girl and giving you today, only today, and your time start counting as from now, it's ticking away. You see, there's one thing you didn't know about her. And let me educate you. Her spirit is very, very strong. You've succeeded in disuniting her family with her so that she will be a very easy prey for you. But don't worry. At the end of the day, the frog will know there's two types of water. The normal water is used to, and the hot water. And by the time I finish with you,
Oga, see about poor. You call it see about poor. Get on Ogi. Get on Ogi. Nee, I can't get you again. See about poor.
Move.
Yeah,
there's no way. Shut up, no way.
That's man that hit my sister. That's the man.
What's it?
That hit my sister. Yes, you.
Come here. I didn't do
anything.
If you move, maybe he's mistaken. If you move,
you want to join them? You want to go? Two of you want to go? Oh yeah, let's go. This man need me.
You know what? I'm coming. Let me dress up. Let me dress up.
Help him now. Take it easy with my brother now. We're going inside. Come on, yeah.
I'm coming to that
station. No power.
No, you follow me and I will lock you up. Idiot. Look at him.
Take it. I will deal with both of you. Like father, like son.
Oh, well, let us do fast and go to the police station. We'll go to the police station.
Nonsense! Useless, foolish people! Eh? Nonsense! You have a son that goes about raping the maidens of this kingdom. You think I will not find out? Okay. Let me not see any improvement in that girl. If it happens that there's no improvement, I will so much deal with you. And you will know that there's a difference between daylight and darkness. I swear, I will deal with you. Useless man, nonsense. Jelly, no way about Bagune Melo and one uncle.
Chima, inazikwame. Chima. Inazikwame. Chima, yabatelo moseni maka. Inazikwame. Chima, yabatelo moseni maka. Inazikwame. Chima, yabatelo moseni maka. Inazikwame. Chima, yabatelo moseni maka.
Mama, stop. Yes.
I noticed she was walking a bit. Is she okay?
Yes. Not really. We were evacuated from the hospital because we were not able to pay the sum of 50,000 naira, sir.
Excuse me, 50,000 naira?
Yes, sir.
Where's the hospital?
Just down the road. So we should leave since we are not able to pay. But she's yet to be okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So if I can get that 50,000 ready, that's okay, right?
That would be very lovely, sir.
Okay.
God will bless you for it, sir.
No, it's okay.
If you can help us, God will help you, sir.
It's not a problem. It's not a problem. Okay, you know what's going to happen now? I'm going to pick my mom out right there, okay? Just 2 minutes of friend.
No! No, I'm not. Mama, you're not. Mama, stop.
So I'll just pick my mom, okay?
No. No problem. No, I can take her.
No.
You really want to help us, sir. God will bless you for this.
It's okay.
Mama, stop. God will bless you. God will bless you.
It's okay.
Mama, let's go.
Nabugo, little boy. Ronnie. He said, it takes two to tango. Two cannot work together unless there's agreement. As in, Ekwe Osu. Anyeko, Mas. So, Kaikute Koskone. I just want you to come into terms with me. And once you agree, we will start. Nabugo! Ronnie! Hey! Ronnie! No. Nabugo. You see? Would you like to allow the enemy, if they are the ones that killed you, to enjoy what does not belong to them? You see, to me it looks more like there's a conspiracy to kill you so that they will silence the family. So if you agree with me that we will fight back, to let peace and tranquility reign in your family left behind, please give me a sign to show that you are in agreement with me. Nyamia! Odabago. Nabugo. If your death is from Yachi, rest in peace. But if your death is not from Yachi, are they people in a group, individual from the east, or Wanyang from the west, or the Danyang from the north, Abugu, from the south, Ndeda? Pursue them, torment them. Let them not know peace till they revealed all their plans and their secret the way they perform it. That's all we want. Go, Nabugo, go and hunt them. Go. Fight for justice. Oh!
It is a norm that the chief priest must have to fortify himself. This I do on a regular basis. Must fortify myself. Show yourself! Show yourself! Nabugo. Ewa. 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 Nabugo. Ewa. Ewa.
Chief Priest, I'm even going to your place.
My place?
This little boy is
My place is not safe.
Then where will I run to?
You people lured me into my death.
That is not what we should be talking now. What is the solution?
That little boy's spirit is powerful.
So, Chief Priest, what do we do now?
I thought I could battle it, but no way.
Hey.
This is terrible. I've never seen such thing in my life.
Chief Priest, are you saying there's no solution?
So, doctor, I've sent you all the time. It's the first document. The nurse has already confirmed that. Okay, please employ every duty of care to ensure you save this woman's life. Please.
I'll definitely do that.
Okay.
All right.
Please.
Please, doctor. Your best to take care of that one, okay?
Thank you, sir.
It's okay.
Thank you so much. God will bless you for this. Thank you. Ma, thank you, ma. Oh, thank you. I don't even know what to say.
I think I have to go and commence treatment immediately.
Okay. Don't worry, mother will find. And doctor, please, if there's any other thing you need, please contact me.
Yeah.
I'll drop my number.
Yes. It's all right.
Please.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
Don't let me. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Never lie.
No, you just tell me. It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you. God bless you.
Hey! 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 Hey!
What's going on?
Nabu, this is my bedroom. Nabu, that boy!
Papa, what's
The boy is...
me now? Papa, go and get dressed. We are late for the court hearing. We're supposed to be at the court by now.
I'm talking about Nabu in my bedroom. You're talking about court hearing. What do you mean by court hearing? Yeah, who court? Nabu is in my bedroom. I'm telling you something. Please don't leave my room.
What are you saying? Nabu is dead and gone.
Dead and gone. Somebody in my bedroom right now. Look at him. Look at him. Hey! Look at him. Look at him.
Papa, I can't see anybody.
Look at him. Look at him.
Where?
Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. He's coming close to you. He's coming close to you. Look at him. Look at him.
Look at who?
Run!
Papa.
Run away!
Run to where?
Run! I told you. Hey! Hey! I told you. Hey! He has killed him. He has killed him. Hey! Oh boy! Nze akunawa. Hey! Hey! Nze dead. Eh? My son dead. Nze dead. Who is sure if the chief priest is still alive? Hey! What am I going to do now? Hey! Please don't kill me. Please, don't kill me, eh? Please. Please, I beg you.
Go and confess.
Confess. I will.
Go now.
Go
now.
I will go. Eh? I will confess.
Go now.
Hey! Confess. I will confess. I will confess. I will confess. Confess. Hey! Ezemo! Dead too? I knew it. I said it. I will confess. I will confess.
Ibuka. One name. Ibuka. What is it?
No.
Yeah? No, Megini. What is it? Ibuka, talk to me. Ibuka. Ibuka. Hey. 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 Beacon. Where are you running to? What's chasing you?
Nabugo spirit has been pursuing me. Nabugo spirit has killed the chief priest. He has killed Nze. He has also killed your brother. In fact, he wants me to confess.
That means remaining me.
No,
I don't want to die.
You will not die. You will not die. But how did you escape from the police here?
I don't even know how it happened. I just escaped. But it's better the police arrest me back because I don't want to die in the house of Nabugo.
No. Just follow me. Let's go to Ebube. I want to go and confess. Maybe you should forgive me and the spirit will forgive me. Let's go. I will confess.
My dear, we'll come back and see you, okay? No problem, ma. Thank you so much, ma. Thank you so much, sir. God bless you.
We didn't even ask you some questions like personal questions about yourself, like where you're from, I mean, your community.
Oh, I'm from Umunze Kingdom, sir.
We're actually on our way to Umunze Kingdom.
You're going to my village?
Sorry, my former village.
What do you mean your former village? What do you mean? What happened?
My mother was accused of killing my little brother through poison. And they forced her to swear. That resulted to her mental condition.
So did your mother actually poison your brother?
No, she didn't kill him. It was a conspiracy. They conspired against her. After my sister adopted a son from my late father, Michael Okoye. That's it, though.
Michael Okoye?
Yes, ma.
Was Michael Okoye your father?
Yes.
Wait a minute. Few months ago, a young lady came to my foundation and adopted a little boy.
That's my sister. My elder sister. Hey, this is Ebube, my elder sister. Ebube. She's the one.
The little boy? Was he the one poisoned?
Yes.
How?
Nabugo. He was one that they poisoned. They killed him. Killed my little brother for me.
Hey, can you follow us?
Okay, yes. I'll follow you. It's my village too. I'll follow you.
What is happening? What happened to her? For how long has she been like this?
She has been like this for weeks, for days. I don't know what happened to her. I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know what happened to her? Is it like she was bitten by a snake or a scorpion?
No, all of a sudden she started complaining of stomach pain, leg pain before you see. This is what happened. I don't know.
What happened? Ebube! 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 What happened to her?
I don't know. She has been like this for days. I don't know what happened. She just like complaining on stomach pain, neck pain, everything.
What's wrong with her? Ebube! Sister, what is wrong with you? Let's take her to the hospital.
I have called so many things. I'm
I'll confess.
Hey!
It goes slapped me.
Forgive me.
It goes.
Forgive me. Forgive me.
Forgive me,
oh!
Forgive me for what? Forgive me. Uncle, what are we forgiving you for? What is it?
I'll confess.
Go ahead, confess.
Uncle, what is it?
Confess it,
What
confess
do you want
it.
to confess?
I'll confess.
If I confess now, Mama will help. I confess now.
I'll confess. I am responsible for her condition.
I knew it.
I tried to kill her, but she's too strong. She needs to die.
There's another one.
What is he saying?
My father poisoned her spiritually. He gave me something I treated to her leg.
Even you. Even you.
I'm just a son to the wicked man. I'm not even you. It didn't end there. This one I'm going to say now is very terrible.
Say it!
I'm not going to get you.
Where?
Can I say it? What is it?
Okay. Mpai, on a watch job. Okay. Yes, what my father is saying is that you make woman take the oath, and after that, make her run mad.
Huh! I don't like what I'm hearing.
You see, when she runs mad, there will be confusion. The community will chase her out of the kingdom. And I will inherit all my brother's property, my late brother's property. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah? And then from there, of course.
From there, we're going to give you like 2 pieces of land.
You see? Just for you.
2 pieces of land? Yes, are you sure?
Yes. You're asking me?
Gods of our land, you heard them. I'm all ears.
Ezomo, see, I am the firstborn of my father. And I'm promising you that after the whole thing, after it's been done, you're getting your land.
Good news. Consider that done. I am in. I am in. What do I call it? I'm even more. Where this one is coming out from, more is still in there. She will certainly run mad. Okay. Terribly mad. Okay, but meanwhile, I'm running to somewhere. Okay. I'll see you people.
That was it, so please forgive me. Forgive me, please. Yeah? I was covetous. I was greedy. Yeah? I wanted to grab everything my late brother had. Yeah? Including his wife, Makufia. You
are evil.
I know.
You are evil. You have done worse, Iche Nduka. In fact, you are not qualified to be called Iche. You have done worse, Nduka.
I know.
Huh?
Forgive me.
How can you be this evil? You and your son. You killed an innocent boy. Then you made an innocent woman to go mad. This is evil under the sun. 2 of you must be banished from this community. You and your son, you must be banished. When I told you that I will deal with you, you thought I was joking. How it can be now?
Abia. No, don't kill me. Don't kill me. Look, I only killed you for what you should know. Don't kill me. Don't kill me.
You have the guts to kill Nabugo. Oh, Ndoka, you must perish. You must perish. Because your late brother has no male child. He wanted to kill everybody.
Perish! Yes, wrong man. You can even remove your clothes and go to the market and continue your madness. Deserve it. Evil man. Yes.
Take the money from the change you're owing me. Because I'm a meeting move. I'm a meeting.
Hey, you should go and dash go.
Dasha.
Oh, and idea dash don't matter.
Dasha.
Oh.
From there. It's still remaining like 150.
Hey.
No, so you can take that one.
Chiria Maya. Take it easy, oh.
You understand? Hey.
I think you can run. You. I think you can run. If you move, I'll scatter.
What is it?
I think if you move, I'll scatter.
Get up from there.
Stand up. Stand up.
Can't I do what and keep up in this town?
Stand up.
Get up.
If you move your leg, I'll scatter.
Get up. Don't scatter my leg, please.
Stand up.
Scatter leg.
I said scatter. Come.
Hey, I'm standing. Get back there.
Move.
I
said move.
Move to where now?
Move. Follow us. Move.
Maybe I'm gonna see move.
I said move.
Come on.
Move. As I said, move. You think say you can run? Move.
He couldn't go make so what has he done again? Oh.
Please. Please.
I am really sorry. Whatever I did not do it with my clear eyes, and you know it. Please, forgive me.
Come. I forgive you. I have always known you didn't do it with your clear eyes. I've missed you so much. How are you?
I'm fine, Mama.
My sister, I forgive you for everything. And guess what? I miss you so much, honestly. I miss you, my sister. I miss you. I miss my family. Welcome back.
Ned, we are sorry for what happened to you. We never knew that the chief priest connived with Ndoka just to harm you. We're sorry. Please forgive us. Forgive us for banishing you unjustly.
Ned, onye ma nwaanyị, isi jelu mmụọ nata. We are sorry.
I forgive you. I am happy justice has prevailed.
Yes, indeed.
Even though I suffered so much. I'm happy to be in my late husband's house to unite with my family. I suffered for nothing I knew, something I knew nothing about.
Mama, it's okay. Don't start crying again, eh? No more.
Yes, indeed. Justice has been.
I'll come back.
You know, when I went through her file and saw that name, Michael Okoye, and this home address, I was very surprised. Hello, son. Really? You've landed? Okay. Okay, I'm coming home right away. Okay? Alright then. You will see me right now. Oh, my son is back. Okay.
And why are you telling us this now? We know that she came to your foundation to adopt a little boy. All legal due processes were duly followed to the latter. So why?
Yes. Why are you telling us now?
Elders, what my mom here is trying to say is the late Michael Okoye is my biological father.
It's a lie! No, it's a lie! It's a lie! It's a lie!
What did you just say?
The late Michael Okoye is my biological father.
Hey!
Let's prove. Yes.
How? I don't understand.
How is that possible?
How? I'm his only legal wife.
So, Michael was my first love. Back in Oron. He used to work in my father's fish port in those days. And I got pregnant. I was so scared of what my father would do to him if he finds out. So I asked Michael to run away because I know my father would kill him.
Babe. I think you have to quit this job. I mean, if my parents get to know about this, you know that you are in a serious problem. I mean, my dad will kill you. He will shoot you dead. And I don't want this to happen. Please, you have to quit this job.
God. What have I gotten myself into? What is all this? You know, I cannot leave my business. Where am I going to run to? If I quit my job now, I will not have any money on me anymore.
See, I'll be traveling to London. And when I get there, I will break the news to them. I'll tell them I'm pregnant. That's the reason you have to quit this job as soon as possible. Because, you know, these workers, they have been seeing us often. And I don't want my dad to suspect anything. Especially you. Because he will kill you. Okay? But when I give birth for the baby, it's yours. The baby will still come for you, okay?
I see, I understand, but for quitting the job, I have to think about it. I cannot quit my job.
Oh, babe, stop now. Stop, okay? Stop. You have to quit. At least for me. And for the baby, don't worry. I promise you when the baby grows up, he will come for you. After he's your child, okay?
Just a minute. Is this not Michael?
Hey! Hey,
Mama Daniel. So, So and I have a brother. Eh? So we go one day work. Hey! Now welcome. Welcome. Welcome to our family. Welcome. Thank you. Welcome.
The gods are wise. Okoye, so you had the son before joining the ancestors. Ew.
This is great.
Indeed, very great. Hi.
Ah. Hey, you're welcome. Oh, you're welcome to our family. Oh, I'm so happy. Hey,
no,
welcome.
No, oh,
welcome.
Small one.
Yes. And you've been. Oh my God. I don't know what to say.
It's okay. I don't know. I can't even explain myself.
Oh, welcome. Welcome.
I'm so
happy. Yes.
Mama.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Mama.
Thank you, ma. Welcome, sir.
I don't understand though. Just to lock something, feel like say you don't die. I can't even come out this place, oh. Me, I don't go.
The city. Oh, tell him I'm going to miss you.
I'll miss you too. Mama, where you enter? I'm entering the front now. Which you enter front? Mama, I'm for young now.
My leg is paining me. Besides, my son.
Mama, enter front.
See your husband.
Ogochukwu. Thank you so much. I'm going to miss you. But don't worry, I will call you from the city. Oh, no. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh my God! Hey, my dear friend. I will see you when I return.
I will miss you. I'm missing you already.
I'll see you. Yeah?
You're nice.
City. We don't come. We don't show.
And we don't forget to. I'm single.
What do you stand to gain? Why you wicked like this, yeah? That's the way they do. If they do to you, say you go feel them. If they do to you, say you go like them. But look at no why. Okay, one no good, one good. Yes, you want no good, one no good. Let's eat the female. Let's eat the female. Organic anazo. Gịnị ka a na-azọ ka njụọ ndị mmadụ na-ajọ obi ya o wepụlụ nke nwanne ilo na-asị ajaka na jọgbulu onwe ya onye m raka iji ya ezi onye raka iji ya a na-emetọ ụwa n'ike onye m raka iji ya